Broadcasting from St Cyres School to the whole of the world. You're listening to Cyres Sound. Cyres Sound. Making school sound cool.
Hi, listen to Wil and Simon on Cyres Sound.
We got a great show coming up for you today with some great music such as Fall Out Boy,
Sum 41,
and some Blink-182,
plus much more.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Wil.
And I'm Simon.
We're Year 13 students at St Cyres School.
And have been presenters on Cyres Sound since it launched in September 2011.
Cyres Sound not only lets us have fun and act as a form of entertainment,
but also works well as an educational tool, allowing all departments across the school to get involved.
The English department can write stories to broadcast. Science can look at the physics of sound. Music can broadcast their own compositions. The media department can use it for project work. Drama can create radio plays. Welsh can use it to promote curriculum Cymraeg. Welsh Baccalaureate can base their projects on the radio station. The daily act of worship could also be broadcast to all classrooms.
It would help me with ICT because it's all about learning how to connect and stream music and using the radio equipment. And it's pretty cool because it's like the same as Radio 1 and Real Radio have got, so it's just as good standard and we're learning it for free, but the only thing is we don't get paid for it. That's a bit of a downside, but still, it's a good experience having to use it.
Small step to big things.
Yeah.
The experience we've gained from being on Cyres Sound has enabled us to progress onto a local FM station, broadcasting over the whole of the Vale of Glamorgan,
allowing us to gain more professional skills and linking Cyres Sound with the community.
98.1 FM, Pro Radio.
Gollum's in The Hobbit, and do you want to see my Gollum impression?
Go ahead.
Okay.
That is terrible. That's the worst thing I've ever seen.
Gollum gets like hungry?
No, he speaks. That's horrible.
It's like when he's...
No.
Don't you think that's a...
That's not it at all.
Oh, I should not do that in the cinema anymore.
No, people won't understand it. He's having a fit.
I thought it was a great one.
Anyway, well, just keep it to yourself.
On to the next song, Simon. Can you, just to introduce it...
I don't know what it is.
How many weeks is it until our next show?
1 week.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me.
The skills I've learned at Cyres Sound and the experience I've gained from working at Pro Radio FM have helped me make up my mind that a career in radio is what I'd like to pursue.
And I'm going to university next year, so I'll definitely get involved in the student station up there.
To tune into Cyres Sound, visit www.stcyres.org, where you'll find a link on the homepage.
Cyres Sound. Making school sound cool.